Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the front shock absorber, the spring and the strut support mount on Opel Astra H. That's the shock absorber right there. So in order to remove it, we need to remove this brake line, also this electrical connector. These are the two bolts holding the shock absorber to the wheel hub assembly, and we also need to remove the nut for the twist rod and remove the twist rod. First we're going to start by removing the twist rod. I'm going to use locking pliers on the rear of the twist rod to lock it and then remove the nut. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next I'm going to remove this electrical connector. You only need to push that tab in and it goes out. Next we're going to remove this metal pin that holds the brake line. Next I'm going to put this elastic rope on the brake caliper and catch it somewhere on the chassis of the car so that it holds the whole wheel on that side without coming to the rear, and this way I'm going to prevent the drive shaft for the drive axle from coming out. Next I'm going to remove the two bolts holding the shock absorber. That's the two bolts out. Now we need to release the shock absorber from the top. Here there is no bolt or nut holding the shock absorber on top, just this plastic clip that we need to separate, and the shock absorber will go down. Now the two plastic clips are out. Now we can bring down the shock absorber and take it out. I have another video on my channel of how you can replace the spring, the shock absorber and the strut support mount. You can see it. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.